Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a short one today. So ever since I've had the Kia, I have had paddle extensions on the car in silver. And I've never really liked them, but I never really did anything about it until the other day when I ordered some black ones. So we're gonna see if we can get the silver ones off. I don't know how that we're gonna do that because the tape is really strong. If we can get the silver ones off, we'll put the black ones on, we'll see how they look. Stay tuned. So to get the old one off, I used a heat gun. Probably use about 30 seconds worth of heat just on the back of the paddle to loosen up the tape, and then just stuck a plastic pry tool just in behind and slowly pried it out. I did pop the paddle out of the steering wheel to make it a little bit easier. So we'll get that one cleaned up, pull the other one off, and then we'll put the black ones on. Okay, so old paddle extensions are off. That's the new one there. So to put the new one on, all you need to do, you're gonna get a little alcohol wipe. So clean the back of that. Clean the back of the paddle, make sure there's no residue on there, and then put the double-sided tape on the paddle, and then stick it on there, and then hold on to it for maybe 30 seconds till everything sets up really good. And then, yeah, that's really all there is to it. So I'll see if I can get a picture here or a video of what they look like. It's hard to see in this light. The one on the left is the silver one. The one on the right is the black one. It kind of blends in a little bit more and doesn't stick out as much. I'll get a better video when I'm done and outside, but yeah, I like them so far. Okay guys, all done. Black paddle extensions now installed. I like the way they look better than the silver ones. They blend in a little bit more. I'm tempted to paint the paddles black as well, the actual OEM paddles, but that's a project for another day. So that's how those look. Again, the other ones were on for 2 years. The tape never failed. So if you don't have these, they're a really nice cheap upgrade. Makes it a lot easier to grab shifts. You can't grab right at the top, but anywhere along the bottom or near the top makes it much easier to find a paddle, especially mid-turn. They're only like $30 from AliExpress. They come in all colors: black, silver, red, gray, carbon. They have ones with cutouts, so I'll put a link in the description below. More videos to follow, including the big brake kit for the rear, hopefully next week. Stay tuned.